Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm really excited to be doing this Fashion Week inspired look for you today. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's do some makeup. To get started with today's look, I've already done my foundation and face tapes. Per usual, I will put the link for the foundation video up for you guys. And I'm going to be doing something a little different today. I would say it's a little bit more fashion forward, a little bit more modern. I also blocked out my brows for today because I want to try this look just without a brow. And then if I really feel like I need one, I can put one of those great sticker brows on. I did a video just a little bit back where I used these for the first time and I really liked them so much that as a queen who normally doesn't block out my brows, I wanted to block out my brows just so that I could have an opportunity to use those. So let's go ahead and get started and dip into MAC White with a Bold Metals Collection 200 eyeshadow brush. And that's just going to go over the lower lid. Then what I am going to do is take another Bold Metals Collection 200 eyeshadow brush, and I am going to dip that into MAC Honeylust. And that's going to go right on top of the white that we just put down. Arena with the Instapop crease brush. And then blend that gently with the defining crease brush. Okay, base shadow brush and rice paper. Using a MAC Currant pencil because it's dark enough for me to sketch out what I do, but if I make a mistake, it's not like the Smolder eye kohl pencil where it would just be a real big, huge mess. Expert concealer brush and a teeny bit of the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. This is a MAC Dazzleshadow liquid, and the color is in Blinking Brilliant. My base shadow brush and Amber Lights. Some gold glitter, and for that I'm going to put a little bit more of the Dazzleshadow liquid on the top of the Amber Lights. And then while that's still wet, I'm going to use the lip blur brush. Now that I sufficiently have glitter everywhere, but totally worth it. Let's dust off all this excess powder and stuff. Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner because it's got that nice thin point, and I'm going to re-sketch out that line that we created with the Currant lip pencil to do the perimeter, and this is going to outline that gold that we just put down. Milani Stay Put 17-Hour Wear Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, so I just finished the eyeliner. So as you can see, it's an avant-garde, fashion-forward look, but I love it. And it's a lot of fun, and it's not that difficult to do. I mean, there's not a lot of steps. The hardest part is getting the eyeliner down, but take your time. Use a lighter pencil if you have to sketch it out, and just gradually go a little bit darker until you feel comfortable enough and have enough of a base where you're just tracing with your liquid liner. And that should help you. Base shadow brush. And I'm going to go with a little bit of MAC white. And I'm going to put this above with a little rice paper. To start off our bottom liner, I'm going to go in with the Rebel Edge Fine Brush and my MAC Carbon. A quick curl with the MAC Eyelash Curler, and then clean them up with a light coat of the MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. Okay, I've got the top lashes on, just little individuals, and now I'm going to get to work on the bottom with my Ardell Whispy's clusters. All right, just finished putting on my top and bottom lashes. As you can see, the top lashes, almost nothing. And then I just have my wispy clusters on the bottom. And then I'm not doing any eyebrows with this look. And then I'm just gonna do one more coat of mascara over both sets of top and bottom false lashes. I wish this was live. You guys could tell me what lip color to do. I want to do a nude, but I feel like I do so many nudes. Okay, let's do something really different today. Let's use the MAC Technical eyeliner in Earthline. I'm going to use that as a liner for today. Let's see what happens. All right, let's grab our lip smudge brush and work that in a bit. Okay, so the liquid lipstick we're going to use today by Runway Rogue, this one is Film Noir. All right, lip smudge brush again. All right, I think Top Model will be a good gloss to put on over this. And to finish those lips, Flash and Dash, the MAC Dazzleshadow liquid. So let's set it all with some shimmer spray and Pinklite. And then give it all a light tap with powder brush. All right, that's it for the makeup. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching my videos. I hope you guys have enjoyed yourself. If you can, like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.